Hi, welcome to our channel, dear viewers. In this video I'll show you how to set up and how to install free VPN on your OnePlus Nord 2T device. So, firstly, I have to tell you that a free VPN is not safe to work with or rebound content because free VPN doesn't protect your private data. So let's get started. As you can see, the IP shows that I'm now in Poland, and it's true, in Krakow. So open TurboVPN website and check how websites see your location now. Then just open Play Store. And find here free VPN application, for example TurboVPN. Click install, then click open, agree and continue, then click on the cross on the left top corner and cool. So here you will see the globe on the right top part of your screen. By clicking on it, you can see all countries you can connect to. For example, if you want to connect to Germany, just click on Germany and set here and choose here a free VPN server. So choose free VPN server, or just click on the card on the center of the screen to connect to fastest and nearest server. So click on the card, click on allow, and now open TurboVPN website to check how websites see your location now. As you can see, we are in Germany, in Frankfurt now. So cool, VPN works. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.